Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the 31st March 2026 interview experience and important lesson that you should take. So actually yesterday I have posted the video related to 30 March and interview experience, and the same things is going to happen today also. Means I have talked to some of the candidates and they have also shared their feedback. So one things that lots of confusion that my interview but application form not downloading. So what you have to do, so just consult the TCS team, only they can help. Okay, so अगर कोई भी आपको issue आ रहा है भाई तो TCS support team को करेगा, otherwise you can tell them at that moment that there was some issue in your server, so they might give you the chance. And the one tips that is given by many candidates, that focus on OOPS concept, SQL, and whatever the you can say technology you have mentioned in your resume. Okay, so you can say this is on the candidate's feedback. So I mentioned technology stack of only core Java. They will ask that only, or they will ask other, so that completely depend on them. Most of the interviewer actually ask from the resume, but you can see some other इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस. ब्रदर मेरा इंटरव्यू कुछ खास नहीं गया, उन्होंने बहुत डीप क्वेश्चन पूछे थे और उन्हें मेरे प्रोजेक्ट कुछ खास नहीं लगे. सो उन्होंने 10 से 15 मिनट डिस्कशन किया इंटरव्यू. सो इज़ देयर एनी चांस ऑफ ऑफर लेटर? रिमेंबर फ्रेंड्स, इट्स कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन देम. एंड ऐसा नहीं आपका कि बिल्कुल अनप्रिडिक्टेड होता है. यू डोंट नो व्हेन यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट. एंड अच्छा नहीं गया तो भी आपका आ सकता है, अच्छा गया तो भी नहीं आ सकता. सो दिस इज कम्प्लीटली अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट. ओके, गिव योर बेस्ट इन योर इंटरव्यू. And you can say this is one of the candidates experience. They have clearly mentioned that no OOPS concept task. So this is a kind of mixed opinion, you can't predict. But again the main things that you have to focus is OOPS concept. आप अच्छे से देख के जाइए. DSA का बेसिक्स कंसेप्ट जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. एंड SQL बेसिक, फॉर एग्जांपल DML कमांड, DCL कमांड, डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिलीट, ट्रंकेट, जो मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको वीडियो में अपलोड कर चुका हूँ अबाउट द SQL इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस, स्पेशली सेकंड IS सैलरी, हाउ कैन यू गेट, वेयर एंड क्लाउज. सो ये सब का भैया आप देख लीजिएगा. एंड दिस विल बी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. Okay, so those who have interview further, just best of luck to all the candidates. And again saying brush up your project very very well, because for some of the candidates they are getting deep dive into technical questions especially related to projects. They might ask you the technology or the basics question, not at that much level. Again that is completely depend on interviewer. बहुत लोगों तक क्या नॉर्मल पूछ के मीन्स just they will ask your name and basic things what you have to do, and that's it. So that's the thing I want to tell. Focus on all these things, whatever things I have mentioned. And स्पेशली वही कहूँगा प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह, डोंट गिव एनी सिंगल पॉइंट्स इन योर रिज्यूमे विच यू डोंट हैव आइडिया, बिकॉज इफ दे गोना आस्क द क्वेश्चन एंड देन यू माइट गेट स्टक. सो जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव एंड बी ऑनेस्ट टू द इंटरव्यू. जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट एंड रेस्ट. Just leave to the God. That's the thing I want to tell. And those who still haven't get the admit card, don't need to worry. You will for sure get the admit card. Okay. So I think currently they are just trying to complete the first phase. Then second phase admit card will be out. Till then, what you can do, just go through all the coding questions which I have already provided, and the free preparation material about the aptitude, reasoning, English. So just go through all those stuff. That will be really helpful for all of you. Okay. So if you still have any query, you can ask here, and we can also connect on LinkedIn, or you can ask your query at Insta, Facebook, whatever platform you're comfortable with. Now most important things that I want to tell related to mock interview. Friends must appear for at least one mock interview so that you will get clarity. Especially if you haven't given the interview earlier, then भाई आप must mock interview. If you are interested, you can fill our mock interview form, और आप किसी का भी mock interview जरूर देके जाएं, because you will know yourself that on what point you are lagging and on what is your strong and what is your weakness. So accordingly you can analyze yourself, and basically we will also provide you resume review and all those stuff, so that will basically increase your chances. We have already provided more than 40 plus sections in various companies, so if you want you can fill the form and focus on HR question too. HR play a critical role, especially why do you want to join TCS, what are your strength, weakness. So just basic question you have to go through it. Are you comfortable in rotational shift or not? Again saying friends, either you are comfortable or not, your answer should be yes. Okay, after getting the offer letter you can decide whether you want to join that company or not, but at that time give the positive feedback and just give the balanced answer. Okay, your approach should be balanced in HR questions. So these all things I want to tell, and best of luck. Again if you have any query, feel free to ask her. I am here to help you, and just भाई आप लोग अभी लगे रहिए. ओके, एंड सून सम अदर कंपनी हायरिंग विल अनाउंस, सो आई विल प्रोवाइड ऑल दोज अपडेट्स. सो फॉर दैट यू कैन जस्ट सब्सक्राइब अस. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.